In this video, I'm going to show you how to use password managers for your banking and finance accounts, making sure your sensitive information stays secure and easy to access. If you've ever struggled to remember passwords or worried about the security of your online accounts, this guide is for you. Stick around until the end because I'll also share an exclusive free trial of the software we'll be using in the description below, so you can follow along. First things first, a password manager is a tool that stores and encrypts all your passwords in one safe place, allowing you to access them securely without the need to memorize everything. When it comes to banking and finance accounts, this is crucial because these are some of the most sensitive accounts you can have. To start, you'll want to choose a password manager that supports all the essential features for managing your financial accounts, like secure password storage, automatic password generation, and even multi-factor authentication, MFA, for extra security. Our recommended software does all of this and more, but I'll walk you through how to get started. After installing the software on your device, open it up and create your master password. This is the only password you'll need to remember, so make sure it's strong and unique. A good rule of thumb is to use a mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid using easily guessable information like names or birthdays. Once your master password is set, the software will prompt you to add accounts. For your banking and finance accounts, simply navigate to the Add New Account section. Here, you'll enter the login details for each of your accounts, the website, your username, and your password. The software will then securely store this information for you. What's even more convenient is that many password managers can automatically fill in your login credentials when you visit these sites. This means next time you go to your banking site, the password manager will fill in your username and password for you, saving you time and ensuring you don't make any typing errors. But here's the kicker. Your password manager will also help you create secure passwords. It can generate random strong passwords that are nearly impossible to crack, so you don't have to worry about using weak or reused passwords. This is incredibly important for keeping your banking and finance accounts safe from potential hackers. For extra protection, make sure you enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, wherever possible. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring you to verify your identity through something other than just your password. The software we'll be using integrates seamlessly with 2FA, so it's easy to set up. Now that you've stored your banking and finance credentials securely, here's a pro tip. Make sure you keep your password manager software updated. Developers are constantly improving security features, so you want to make sure you're always using the latest version. To summarize, using a password manager for your banking and finance accounts is one of the best ways to keep your sensitive information secure while making it easy to access. Here are the key points. 1. Choose a password manager that supports strong password storage and multi-factor authentication. 2. Use a strong master password and let the software handle the rest. 3. Enable 2FA for an extra layer of security. 4. Regularly update your password manager to stay ahead of any security vulnerabilities. Before I wrap up, don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial of the software we've been using, available in the description below. It's only available to viewers of my channel, so check it out. The key takeaway here is that using a password manager for your banking and finance accounts can keep you safe, make your life easier, and ensure that your sensitive information is protected. If you've been putting this off, now's the time to get started.